This is David Hammaker for Eece 235 Digital Logic, and we're looking at the homework for the model simulation of the minterm and max terms. So we have this truth table here, which we're going to convert into Verilog code. We do this by using our K-map. We have these one circled, and we get this equation here from it, and that's how we get our minterms. And we did something similar to get our max terms in our product of sums form there. So once we had that, I put it into Verilog. Here is my codes, and I use both a structural and a behavioral code for both mins and max. So there's the behavioral and the structural. Those are both for the maxes, and then I have the same for the min. And when we look at our test bench, I actually put all of those in as my module to test, and here's what I get out. When I have my console here, you can see that, let's run it fresh again, there we go, that all of these outputs, whether it's the min or the max or whether it's structural or behavioral, all come out with the same function, and that corresponds to the table that we had. And if I put it into output mode, we can see our little timing here. So I have my inputs, which is just a set of three, a vector of three elements that just count up, and I store W as the third component, the X is the second, Y as the first, and Z is the 0th. And as this counts, it's going to try out each one of those combinations. And you can see here it's counting up. Looks like we're on D right now. But it goes back around 3, 4. And you can see each time the outputs are all the same. When they all switch on, they all do so together and off together. So let's look at a couple of these. If I click, where we're at right now, we have W is 1, X is 1, Y is 0, Z is 0, and it looks like that should make F 1. So we'll double check 1, 1, 0, 1 here. Here we go. And we have 1, 1, 0, 1, and it is indeed 1. We can look back again at another. Let's see. Here, let's try 5. Here we go. 0, 1, 0, 1 is what we got there, and we should have an output of 0. So let's double check our table. And 0, 1, 0, 1 is an output of 0 right there. So it looks like it's working all right.